Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I'll try to show to you the way how to hide objects from your video only with the CapCut. So you already have this video, and let's just try to hide an object, which is this. So to do that, you just need to go click the clip. Let's find the duplicates features by slide this into the left side, and whenever you got the duplicates, go click them. And right after that, make the duplicate clip become an overlay. Drag this overlay clip until the durations is just the same with the original. And right after that, go click the overlay clip, and we need to find mask. Slide these features into the left side again until we found mask. And after we found it, we just need to pick the shapes. I will like to use this rectangle because I think it will make an easier things to do. So you need to drag this square into the specific part that we want to isolate the colors to cover the objects. Okay, almost there. This is so challenging, and after you got them, you just need to go click this checklist button, and right after that you just need to drag the clip so that this overlay clip will cover the original clip. You can also like expand, make the color bigger, and here is the result. So that is the way how to cover or how to remove an object on video only with the CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.